which is coming in on M&M, where Temasek will be investing in their EV business. They will be holding around 1.5 to 2.5% stake. 1,200 crores is what they are putting into the EV business, and that would result in a valuation of over 80,500 odd crores. Sonia had broken this story. She has more details on this, Sonia.
Oh, absolutely. You know, this is big news coming in for M&M. The fact that Temasek, which is a large Asian PE fund, is investing into their electric vehicle business. The valuations now stand at about 90,000 crores, and there will be a 1,200 crore investment in the electric vehicle business. This is important because M&M has in the past spoken about how they are interested to dilute stake, but they don't want to dilute too much stake in the business. So that's why the 1,200 crore figure. They've also spoken about how they need a total of 10,000 crores in the EV business over the next 2 to 3 years. And hence they are open to, speaking to a lot of investors, strategic as well as financial investors, to pump in the money. If you remember, in July of last year, M&M and British International Investment had signed a binding agreement to invest as much as $250 million each into M&M's EV subsidiary. Now, post this investment, Temasek will also own about 3% stake in the EV business. This is largely for electric vehicles in the SUV space. And as we know, the EV space is growing in a big way. The SUVs are doing extremely well. So hence, this large investment has come through, something that we were talking about in the last few days. And now the news break is confirmed. Of course, tomorrow you have M&M coming out with their earnings as well. So it would be interesting to know what their game plan is with respect to the EV business. Are they looking to speak to any more investors? Are they looking to dilute further stake? Because if you remember, when Anish Shah was speaking to Shireen a couple of weeks ago, he did mention that, yes, we are open to getting investors into the business, but we don't want to dilute too much stake in the EV business. So, yes, the news break is confirmed. For the stock, it, of course, has had a very strong run-up. And even in this quarter's numbers, just yesterday, they came out with their July sales. They sold the highest number of SUVs in a single month, at 36,000 units. So that SUV EV space is growing in a big way. And of course, for expansion plans and for increasing production, they need money. And now a large PE investor, Temasek, has invested in the range of a little under, I think, 3% stake in the EV business.
Okay, it seems as though M&M, though, is on a fundraising spree probably when it comes to this particular space, because IFC in March of 2023 invested around 600 crores in M&M's electric last mile mobility subsidiary, Muco, as well. So maybe there is some amount of interest which is coming into this space. But if you had to stack up M&M's EV business as compared to the others, where would it rank and what are the plans?
So, the whole EV space is coming up in a big way. Now, at the top of the charts is Tata Motors, of course. They were the front runners in the EV business. And then you had, after that, you had, of course, M&M.
Well, I think there is a little bit of an audio glitch there. But nonetheless, this is the big news which is breaking on your screen, where Temasek will have a stake which is in the range of around 1.5 to close to 3% in the EV space. They will be investing around 1,200 crores in the EV business. The valuation stand at over 80,500 odd crores. So big news which is coming in for M&M. We'll deep dive more into the news. As of now, we need to wrap up on Halftime Report. Business Lunch with all of the other top stories.